Timeshares are a multi-billion-dollar industry, but many owners later realize the cost, maintenance fees, and long-term obligations are much bigger than they expected. According to independent industry studies, the average timeshare now costs $23,000 up front, with annual maintenance fees averaging $1,550 and continuing to rise. This video was prepared with insight from Vacation Ownership Consultants, a timeshare exit company focusing on attorney-supported and tailored exit solutions for owners since 2014. With over a decade of experience reviewing thousands of timeshare agreements, the goal of this channel is simple: help owners better understand how to get out of a timeshare with reliable information and strategies. If you're searching for timeshare exit information or wondering how to get out of a timeshare, contact Vacation Ownership Consultants at 800-614-5288 for a no-cost consultation. Now let's get into today's topic. Can you still owe maintenance fees after paying off a timeshare? Yes. Paying off the loan does not eliminate timeshare maintenance fees. Many owners mistakenly believe the financial burden ends once the financing is complete, but the maintenance fees continue as long as the ownership remains active. In many cases, owners pay off the original purchase and then realize the annual fees continue forever. On top of that, resorts may also charge special assessments for unexpected repairs or property upgrades. This is one of the biggest reasons owners research how to get out of a timeshare that is paid off. Even without a loan payment, the ongoing maintenance costs can continue increasing long after the original purchase is forgotten. What happens if you stop paying timeshare maintenance fees? If you stop paying timeshare maintenance fees, the resort may send the account to collections, report negative information to credit agencies, or even pursue foreclosure and legal action. Some owners believe they can simply stop paying and walk away. However, most timeshare contracts are structured as long-term legal obligations. Ignoring the problem rarely makes it disappear and can create additional financial stress. Before taking that route, many owners begin researching how to get out of a timeshare that is paid off through deed-back programs, resort surrender programs, negotiated exits, or attorney-supported timeshare exit strategies. How much can timeshare maintenance fees increase over time? Timeshare maintenance fees can increase significantly over time because yearly increases often compound. According to industry discussions, many resorts raise maintenance fees by 5 to 10% per year. A maintenance fee that starts around $1,500 annually can more than double to $3,500 over the course of a decade. For many retirees or owners on fixed incomes, those increases eventually become difficult to manage. That financial pressure is one reason so many longtime owners begin searching how to get out of a timeshare that is paid off before the costs continue climbing further. How do you get out of a timeshare that is paid off but still has maintenance fees? Owners searching how to get out of a timeshare that is paid off often explore options like deed-back programs, resort surrender programs, negotiated exits, or attorney-supported timeshare exit services. The best approach depends on the resort developer, ownership type, financial situation, and personal circumstances. The most important thing to understand is this: paying off the timeshare does not automatically end ownership obligations. If the ownership remains active, the timeshare maintenance fees for almost all timeshares continue year after year, whether the property is used or not. That is why many owners eventually seek guidance on legitimate timeshare exit and cancellation options to permanently eliminate future financial obligations tied to the ownership. Why do timeshare maintenance fees keep increasing? Timeshare maintenance fees usually increase every year because resorts pass rising operating costs onto owners. These fees help cover expenses like property upkeep, staffing, insurance, renovations, and resort amenities. What many owners do not realize is that these increases almost always compound over time, turning what once felt affordable into a major long-term financial burden. According to industry studies, the average timeshare maintenance fees now $1,550 annually per week of vacation, and many resorts continue increasing those costs year after year. Even owners who rarely use the property are still responsible for paying those fees. That is why many owners eventually begin researching how to get out of a timeshare that is paid off. Even when the loan is gone, the maintenance fee obligations usually continue indefinitely unless the ownership itself is terminated, deeded back, or transferred. That wraps up today's topic. Thanks for watching. We break down timeshare contracts, timeshare exit options, and industry tactics in simple terms to help owners make informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more videos designed to help owners make informed decisions. Vacation Ownership Consultants has helped owners navigate timeshare exit solutions since 2014. If you're searching for how to get out of a timeshare, call 800-614-5288 for a no-cost consultation.